Kiwi and the truck. Piece of rubbish. Piece of damn rubbish. What an absolute nonsense. With the Merlin, and I'm done with him. Back with pulling coaches. I wish I could pull a train. What is to despite this? I think it's a villain, Kiwi. It's kind of hilarious to me. Ah, shut it, coconut. I'm going now. Enjoy that train. You piece of baby. Ugh. Excuse me. Well, anyways, I'm off. Bye bye. Just a little pebble. The next day, Kiwi was very excited to pull his first train. Time to pull my first train. Let's go. No, we're not ready. Quiet, you. We'll show him. We'll show him. Go! What? Stop! Go! Go! Stop! Someone help me! Go! Oh no! Stop! Plan my brakes now! Come on! I'm going to crash! Later that day, Merlin came with the controller. Well, look who has been the... Well, first time on your train. Suit you very well, Kiwi. Anyway, I am disappointed in you for causing collision and delay. I know, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Well, hopefully get used to the point.